Hello everyone, I'm Mohit. Welcome back for another tutorial. So today we are going to cover shapes. There are infinite number of shapes, but we need only 3 of them. We need a square, a sphere, and a triangle. These are the 3 major building blocks to a shape. We can distort them however we want. Or cut them up however we want to get the desired outcome. But the main thing we are going to cover today is how to draw them in perspective, because rarely things are dead front on, and how to mirror them. We are going to do these exercises with square because this is the most used shape, and after we are done with shapes, in the next lessons we will cover forms. So let's start. To be able to form something in perspective, we will first make a horizon line and a vanishing point. I'm sure that you know these things, what these things are. If you're not sure, then refer to previous lessons. So this is our simple grid and 1 point perspective. Cool? Yeah. So now, for a square, the lines which are parallel to the horizon line will stay parallel. But the lines which are supposed to be perpendicular, I mean these will stay parallel, and these two will converge. Now we are going to form converging, and by converging I mean they will stay parallel to the grid lines. So this is our square in perspective. So what's next? In 2 point, this was the 1 point perspective. Now 2 point perspective. Let's make the grid. See, you need to practice your grids even though we are not going to use them from here on, because we should be able to make these forms without using the grids, because nobody's got time for grids. So 2 point perspective. This is a square. Yeah. This side will converge here, the other here. So this is our square and 2-point perspective. These lines are converging here, and these ones are converging here. But we need to be able to make these forms freehand. So in one perspective, the horizontal lines will stay parallel to the horizon, but the perpendicular lines, they will converge. And then now in 2-point perspective. So now, as for the other shapes, in perspective, the circle, it just gets turned into an ellipse. And as for the triangle, we already have a converging shape. Now, let's go to mirroring. To be able to mirror things in perspective, we first should be able to mirror them in the orthographic view. Orthographic view is basically the straight dead-on view. For example, completely straight right hand side, completely straight left hand side, or completely straight front. So let's form a rectangle. Now, to mirror it, we first need to find the center point. To center point, we join the corners. This is our rough center point. From the center point, make a horizontal line to the adjacent side. In the direction in which you want to mirror it. Now divide the rectangle in half. After that, just join it. Join the topmost point, this and this point, and extend the line we took the wrong point. We began mirroring this plane. Apologies. To mirror this hole, take draw a line from one corner, passing through the point at the side. And here we have it. Same square, same measurement. If we want to mirror the inside, it's the same way. Just take this point and pass it through the point on the side. Now if we extend the horizontal center line, and draw another line passing through the horizontal center point, vertical center point and the corner, we can continue making these squares. So this is the mirroring technique. Now, to do in one point perspective, here we have our grid. Now let's make a square. Join the corners to find the center point. Extend it upward. Now, to mirror it, just join this corner, passing through this one. So now we have mirrored the plane in perspective. Same method, just we added perspective to it. The same can be done with circles. All you have to do is draw a circle, or better even, Draw a square first. Sides. Have to be perpendicular to the circle. It's not a perfect circle, but to mirror it in perspective, we first mirror the square, then we form the circle inside it. Now, to mirror in two-point perspective or to mirror across a plane, it's the same method. Let's say we have to mirror across this plane. It's simple. Join the corners. Make a line. Join the corner to the midpoint. Extend it. Now extend the rectangle or square, however you like to call it. So we have mirrored it across a plane, perpendicular plane. Now, next we are going to go to forms in another lesson. I'm Mohit. See you next time.